bring it back slowly now. Watch your clearance on the left side. Keep coming.
Only premium quality tamarind continues to production.
The pressure gauge on the nozzle is fluctuating slightly outside the normal parameters. The sensor data confirms it, but it's within acceptable limits for now. Good catch.
Keep the line moving smoothly.
Yes, optimizing the flow now.
The cleaned tamarind now enters the extraction stage. Advanced machinery recovers as much pulp as possible.
Next, you'll see how this pulp is transformed into concentrated tamarind products. Keep the flow steady at 20. The viscosity is higher than the last batch.
Noted. I've logged the current rate and pressure.
Water is reduced to create a rich, concentrated product. Filtration improves consistency and product quality. Confirming readings now, everything looks optimal from the catwalk.
Roger that. Opening the transfer valve.
Why is the data fluctuating at this point?
It looks like the acidity levels are inconsistent across the samples. We need to check the pH again. The polysaccharide count is definitely elevated in this sample.
I agree. We should run the mass spectrometry next.
Temperature spiking in Sector 4. We need to adjust the concentration.
Rerouting the coolant flow now. Levels are stabilizing.
Perfect. Back to nominal. After passing inspection, the concentrate moves to the packaging department.
Check the temperature reading on the number 4 nozzle.
Looks stable now. The alert cleared.
Thousands of packages are filled every hour. Tamarind pulp. Every package is sealed to preserve freshness and quality.
Each package is identified and tracked for quality assurance.
Keep an eye on that upper conveyor. It's holding steady. The adjustments worked.
Automated systems prepare the products for shipment.
Next, you'll see the incredible scale of production and where all these tamarind products are sent.